Good morning. You are watching United News. This is Vanshika Agarwal. The headlines.
Congress faces revolt in Haryana as Rajesh Joon quits party. Announces to fight from Bahadurgarh as independent. Pawan Kheda slams Brij Bhushan Singh's comment on wrestlers' protest. Says Congress stands with them. TMC MP Jawahar Sirkar writes to Mamta announcing his resignation over Kolkata's rape and murder of postgraduate doctor. Italian PM Giorgia Meloni said India can help resolve Russia-Ukraine conflict. In criminal lectures with co-accused, ex-principal of Arjikar Hospital caused wrongful loss to government, says CBI. Brij Bhushan Singh compares Bhupinder Hooda and his family to Pandavs, says country won't forgive them. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi arrives in the US to further strengthen bond between India and America.
Now the news in detail. Former Arjikar Hospital and College principal Sandeep Ghosh had been operating criminal nexus with his co-accused, which has caused wrongful loss to the government. The Central Bureau of Investigation said on Saturday, based on the finding of its probe in financial irregularities at the college. Evidence collected during the investigation conducted so far has revealed that Dr. Sandeep Ghosh in criminal nexus with other accused person by way of illegal means caused wrongful loss to the government and corresponding wrongful gain to himself and other accused persons. The probe agency arrested Ghosh along with two vendors and his security personnel for their alleged involvement in financial irregularities at the state-run hospital, which witnessed the rape and murder of a postgraduate trainee doctor on August 9. A day after the Congress announced its first list of 31 candidates for the Haryana Assembly polls, the party was forced to face rebellion of disappointed members as Rajesh Joon, a leader, was ignored for candidature from the Bahadurgarh seat, quit. He later declared that he would run as an independent. The Congress had chosen sitting MLA Rajendra Singh Joon for Bahadurgarh, located in Jhajjar district. Rajesh Joon expressed his disappointment and discussed his next steps with reporters in Bahadurgarh. I will fight the election as an independent, he said. Trinamool Congress Rajya Sabha MP Jawahar Sirkar on Sunday resigned from the party, citing the Mamata Banerjee's led West Bengal government's handling of the Kolkata doctors' rape murder case and corruption in the state as the reason for his decision. The 72-year-old bureaucrat turned politician in his letter to Banerjee also announced that he would resign from the Rajya Sabha. Stay tuned with the United News for more such updates.